Allah says in chapter 3 verse 47.
3 verse 47. So this is verse number 47 from Surah Al Imran. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Wa yukallimu an-nasa fil mahdi wa kahlan wa min as-salihin. And he shall speak to the people in the cradle and when of middle age, and he shall be of the righteous.
So you can explain to us how Hazrat Isa alayhi salam spoke in the cradle.
All children speak in the cradle. Haven't you observed some children speak in the cradle? They always do. The more clever children can start speaking at the age of 10 months fluently. I met one girl, such girl here, who was carried in the lap, who was hardly 10 months or 11, and she used to sing songs which she heard from Ahmediyya television. And they displayed and said, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. While I've seen other children who have reached the age of 3 and still cannot speak properly except for mumbling a word or two. So, for an exceptionally intelligent child, it is possible to speak coherently while he is still in the cradle, which means that he could be 2.5 years, 3 years, while still in the cradle. Babies of 2.5 years and 3 years are still in the cradle and they speak very well. Some of them, I mean. Suppose he had seen dreams, past dreams at that age. Suppose he had started relating those dreams to the people. The mother then could point out to others, look at this child. Could this be a result of an illegal birth? He is not making up these things for himself. He must have seen these things in his visions of his dreams. That is why, although he spoke of even prophethood, but nobody took him seriously in the sense that he was claiming to be a prophet. They always took him in the sense that he was claiming to be a future prophet maybe, but he's just relating what is told. That is why Jesus never began his prophecy after the age which is described here as in the cradle, when he played in the cradle. He completely withdrew from religious scene and started his professional work of a carpenter or whatever he was. Nobody took him seriously in the sense that he had claimed to be a prophet right from childhood, or he should have been crucified then, was still a child. He himself did not take it seriously. But when he reached the age of maturity, then he claimed, and then immediately the severe reaction was displayed by the surrounding society. Understand this point? Now, there are only 9 seconds, 8 seconds left. So let's call it a day. Tomorrow you begin with answering this question, inshallah.
لقد انتهى الوقت